To download a save games from cloud in Nintendo Switch 2, let's say that this console right here is my new Nintendo Switch 2, and we have a Mario Kart World that we want to transfer our save data using cloud. So now what we need to do is select the game, click on the plus button, navigate to Save Data Cloud, and here a crucial thing is to make sure that you are on the same account that you had on your Nintendo Switch 1, let's say. So here I am, we're gonna select my account. Now on your original console that you want to transfer save data from, make sure to select backup save data. Then wait a few moments until that save data is transferred to the cloud. When it's done, navigate to your console that you want to download save data from and select download save data. Click on the update button or OK button, and then it will download that saves. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.